Welcome to Crazy Dashcam. We bring you interesting and valuable videos. Here you will find main content description of the channel. We are committed to providing you with the highest quality and most up-to-date content. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you for visiting, and we hope you enjoy what we have to share. Overtaking at high speed in the opposite lane increases the risk of accidents and can lead to serious consequences. This is a clear example of a lack of awareness and respect for traffic laws, as the SUV driver puts the safety of others in danger just to save time. In the situation where a kangaroo jumps over the car, both the driver and the animal can be in danger if there is a lack of awareness and speed control. Always stay alert and drive safely, especially when traveling through areas with wildlife. Acting on one's own to lift the barrier at a toll booth not only violates the law, but also shows a lack of respect for the common rules of society. When an individual deliberately bypasses the toll without paying, they not only put themselves in danger, but also disrupt the overall traffic system. The white car's lack of attention while merging caused a serious collision, nearly overturning the pickup truck. This action shows a lack of caution and could lead to severe consequences. The sports car performing a burnout at a red light not only pollutes the environment, but also creates a risk of losing control and negatively affects other vehicles.
That the more Russians are affected by the war, the less they will support it. That's like they opt.
A man dressed in white sitting in the middle of the road at 0040 poses a serious risk to himself and drivers. Immediate intervention is needed to ensure safety.
Fell through. We finally found out who that was with. It was Saudi Arabia. And they,
Items falling off the trailer can obstruct and endanger traffic. It's important to check and secure the cargo more thoroughly. The rear left tire seems to have a problem. I saw sparks coming from it. Why hasn't the driver noticed this yet? Could there be something else going on here?
Let me look into someone else.
Yeah.
You just be like,
Put it on to someone
let me
else's
check with my
responsibility.
manager.
Delay.
And you go, yeah, you just say like, look, 3 up managers said
Whoa!
no.
Oh, they crashed.
Oh my god.
By yourself, I'm afraid, yeah.
Fucking car.
Fortunately, the truck driver discovered it in time and braked before the collision occurred. Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you found this content useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. We regularly update with exciting and helpful content to serve you. Join our community and let's explore more new things together. The SUV overtaking without sufficient visibility is very dangerous and can lead to serious accidents. The driver needs to be more cautious and follow traffic laws. Overtaking at high speed in foggy and damp conditions is very dangerous. Poor visibility and slippery roads can easily lead to serious accidents. It's possible that the wheel nuts were loose, causing the tire to come off the trailer. This highlights the need for more thorough checks and maintenance to ensure safety.
In the Isuzu D-Max and MUX. In 1 kilometre, turn left onto Stanley Terrace.
I've been seeing these fire engines everywhere. What the hell?
The driver of the gray car was not paying attention when changing lanes.
Me! Oh my god, bro!
Sorry, so sorry, bro, so sorry.
Use your mirrors, man!
Yeah, sorry, bro.
That bull bust through your door could have killed you.
Sorry, bro.
You're all good, bro. Just take your time, yeah?
Seems that the driver of the pickup truck wasn't paying attention to what was in front.
I guess I'm just going off my...
Putain d'abruti de merde, là!
Fuck off!
The gray car didn't reduce speed when turning after stopping at a red light, leading to a traffic collision. This behavior is very dangerous and careless, and traffic rules need to be followed.
Fuck's sake, man.
Happened?
We were right. We didn't have any problem.
I saw that.
That guy is an absolute mess, and he cannot run away.
Whoa! Did you even look? Fuck me. Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure that guy is on some sort of drugs. He's running down... Oh, it's a horse. It's not a... It's a horse.
Fucking hell, man. Jesus Christ.
shit! Oh my god! Holy shit!
Jesus fuck!
I don't know.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.